Bullish Bitcoin money. BCH cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1,209.56 and $2,284.73 by 2030. Market examiners accept BCH could reach $940.77 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $215.03. Bitcoin money. BCH presentation. One of the most famous forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was enlivened by misery with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The making of Bitcoin money. What works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a savage question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and efficiently. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to, as of now, not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, at that point, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start yet has encountered strife from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more helpful cash, fans of digital currencies much of the time put resources into it. The coin's cost has the commonplace market unpredictability. However, many individuals accept its future will be more splendid and will offer more prominent benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money, BCH? Despite the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the cryptographic money split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. Satoshi Vision. This shows a readiness to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies overall advancing. But BCH's forking was basically inspired by Bitcoin's 1 MB block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and hung tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 MB and 32 MB in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are regularly somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for each block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the thought that Satoshi Nakamoto, who concocted Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized money that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it feasible for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mode for standard exchanges and allow it an opportunity to rival enormous MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge extravagant expenses to handle global exchanges. Bitcoin money is right now worth $268.78 United States dollars. BCH has moved 2.13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $491,820,488. Bitcoin money is right now position 14 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $5,345,533,403 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money, BCH. To conclude, we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Bitcoin money, BCH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. BCH. The BCH cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $403.17. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady. However, no significant drops are normal. Averaging $376.29 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $322.54. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives. We guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $671.96. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the BCH's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $537.56 and a typical exchanging cost of $591.32. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $940.74, and BCH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $860.10 and a low of $806.35 in 2025. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2026. Assuming Bitcoin money effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1,209.52 with a base cost of $1,075.13 and a typical cost of $1,128.88. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1,397.67 by 2027, with a base cost of $1,343.91 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BCH has a greatest value worth of $1,478.30. Bitcoin money, BCH value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1,666.45. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1,747.08, neglecting to accumulate the help BCH needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $1,612.69. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1,881.47 and a yearly cost close above $2,050.